In front of me is Itel S24 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by launching Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit OK in Welcome pop-up, go into Tab menu and edit it thanks to those three dots at the top right corner. Select Edit Shortcut Switch. Scroll to find Caffeine 1 and add it to your menu. Then go back and click on it here. As you can see, after that, my sleep time was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!